Continuous Mister Spray Bottle for hairstyling, cleaning, plants, barbers, salons, essential oil scents, 10.1 ounce. Beautify Beauties Continuous Mister Spray Bottle, a versatile tool for various applications. The Beautify Beauties Spray Bottle stands out in the market primarily due to its multifunctionality and user-centric design, aiming to cater to a diverse audience, from hairstylists to plant enthusiasts. This review delves into its features, usability, and overall value, providing a comprehensive look at its performance across various uses. Design and build quality. The bottle boasts a sleek, ergonomic design that not only appeals aesthetically, but also ensures ease of use. Made from a lightweight, durable plastic, it is designed to withstand frequent use without leaking or breaking. The translucent body allows users to easily monitor the fluid level, which is a practical feature. The 10.1 ounce capacity is ample for prolonged use without the need for frequent refills, making it a convenient choice for professional and domestic settings alike. Functionality. One of the most praised features of this spray bottle is its continuous mister function, which produces a fine, even mist that covers a broad area with minimal effort. This is particularly advantageous for hairstyling, where even coverage can significantly impact the application of products like water or hair solutions. The trigger mechanism is designed for ease, requiring minimal pressure, thus reducing hand fatigue during extended use. This is a crucial factor for professionals such as barbers and stylists in salons. Versatility. This spray bottle is not just for hairstyling. Its utility extends to cleaning, where the fine mist can be used for applying cleaning agents gently on surfaces without over-wetting them. Gardeners will find the mist setting ideal for watering delicate plants and seedlings, while pet owners might use it to mist pets on hot days or for grooming purposes. Moreover, the bottle can be used in salons to refresh the hair, or even to apply essential oils and other scents in an evenly dispersed manner. Users report that the spray bottle delivers a consistent mist no matter the angle, which is an exceptional feature that not all spray bottles offer. This is particularly useful when needing to reach under leaves or into intricate hairstyles. The mechanism is reliable, with no known issues of clogging or malfunctioning over time, which speaks to its quality and durability. Price point. Considering its multi-use capabilities and robust build, the bottle is reasonably priced. It offers good value for money, especially when compared to other multi-function spray bottles on the market that often feature higher price tags, but do not offer the same reliability or range of use. Conclusion. The Beautify Beauties Continuous Mister Spray Bottle is a commendable product that stands out for its versatility, durability, and user-friendly design. It meets the needs of a variety of users, making it an excellent investment for those in professional settings as well as for everyday use at home. Whether for hair, plants, pets, or cleaning, this spray bottle could very well be the handy tool you didn't know you needed. I hope this review helps potential buyers understand the full scope of what the Beautify Beauties spray bottle offers, making an informed decision on whether it meets their specific needs.